Hello, my name's Jude. I'm over here in London with Mark Smith, getting a micro-pigmentation procedure done. I had gone online and I saw micro-pigmentation being done, and I saw that Mark was going about doing it, and I made a few inquiries, and he offered to bring me over to London and have the procedure done. He was doing his training, and so here I am before the procedure, and I'm pretty confident that it'll turn out well. The guys talked me through the whole procedure, what's going to happen, and I'm looking forward to getting it done. So I think it'll take about 4 hours and about 2 or 3 sessions to complete. But yeah, I'm quite positive, and this will probably be the last time I'll see this, and I'm looking forward to it.